The Sound of Music, a story based on very famous musician Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. She can play about 1000 instruments with perfection, but she is profoundly deaf. She has worked hard to achieve this. When she was a 8-year-old schoolgirl, her mother noticed that she was becoming deaf. The loss of hearing had been gradual, and Evelyn had managed to hide it from all others. At last, she was taken to a specialist when she was 11. The specialist confirmed that she had lost her hearing altogether. She was sent to a school for the deaf. The loss of hearing did not deter her from her determination to lead a normal life. She wanted to be a musician. One day, she saw a girl playing a xylophone. She too wanted to play it. All teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes believed she could do it. Ron Forbes tuned 2 drums. He asked her not to hear but to sense the sound in some other way. Soon Evelyn was excited. She felt the vibrations of the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Later she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. It tingles in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she performs on a wooden platform, she takes off her shoes. Then she can feel the resonances following up through her bare feet. Evelyn went to prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. She was about 17 at that time. She auditioned for the academy and scored one of the highest grades. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. She had moved from the orchestral work to solo performances. Now Evelyn is a multi-percussionist. She has mastery of about 1000 instruments. She is a very popular artist and is invited for performances all over the world. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year. She has accomplished more than any other person of her age. In spite of her deafness, she has learned French and Japanese. Evelyn works hard. She works harder than classical musicians. But she is most unassuming. She tries to do her bit for others. Besides her regular concerts, she performs free in prisons and hospitals. She helps the young musicians. She is indeed a source of inspiration to the handicapped, especially the deaf. If there is a strong will, sky is the limit for human success. Strong determination is the key to success in life. It is the fighting spirit of a person that brings success. Without determination, one cannot achieve anything in life. When encountered with the problems, most people would like to give up. Failures result from lack of determination. The story of Evelyn Glennie inspires us to aim high in life, as it conveys the message that nothing is impossible for humans if they stay determined towards their goal. It further inspires us not to be satisfied with what we have already achieved. Aristotle once said, "Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goal."